Stop for a moment. Do not scroll. This message is meant for you. If you want to improve your English, your confidence, and your life, subscribe to my channel JA Info Urdu, where simple English and strong mindset come together. This topic matters because many beginners feel tired inside. You listen every day. You try again and again. But progress feels slow. And when progress is slow, your heart starts asking painful questions. Why am I not improving? Why is this so hard for me? Let me tell you a real lifestyle story. It is simple, but powerful. There was a beginner learning English. Every listening video felt heavy. Words came fast. Meaning came late. Others seemed better. Others spoke with confidence. This made the beginner feel small. Many nights were full of doubt. The mind said, maybe English is not for me. One day, after another hard listening session, the beginner stopped fighting, stopped rushing, and made a quiet decision. I will be patient. The next day, the beginner listened again. Not with anger, not with fear, but with calm. Not everything was understood, but one word was clear. Then one sentence. Days passed. Weeks passed. No big magic happened. But slowly the ears became trained. Slowly, fear became smaller. Slowly, confidence began to grow. The beginner was still learning, still making mistakes, but no longer quitting. Here is the lesson you must understand deeply. Growth is slow, but quitting is fast. First, accept where you are. Being a beginner is not a weakness. It is the start of strength. Second, practice every day. Even 10 minutes matter. Small effort, daily, changes everything. Third, give time to time. Patience is not waiting without work. Patience is working without giving up. Now your mindset must change. Believe that slow progress is still progress. Believe that you are capable. Take action daily. Listening is action. Repeating is action. And stay disciplined. Motivation will leave you one day. Patience will stay with you every day. Let me ask you something. Why are you in such a hurry? Why do you compare your beginning with someone else's journey? Why do you punish yourself for learning slowly? You are not behind. You are building. Right now you may feel tired. You may feel confused. But your effort is working silently. Every word you listen to is training your mind. Every minute you give is shaping your future. Do not stop now. This is the most important moment. The moment where patience is tested. Stay calm. Stay focused. Stay with your dream. Subscribe to JA Info Urdu for more English listening stories made for beginners like you. Remember this forever. Patience changes everything. And if you stay patient, you will succeed.